Hello, first graders! Welcome back to your Readers Writers Workshop book. Go ahead and get your book out, ready to go, so you can follow along with me as I read. We are turning to page 140 in our Readers Writers Workshop book. This is one of my favorite stories called A Bird Named Fern. And you can see in this story we are practicing our sound. Some people call it the bossy R's, And you can see in the word bird I have IR that says and in fern I have ER that says fur. During this story we're going to focus on the essential question of what can you see in the sky? I don't know if you can tell, but there's a cloud right next to that brown bird, and that cloud, it kind of looks like a ship that floats on the water. So we're going to read how a bird named Fern learns about clouds. Little Fern was always full of questions. She wanted to know about everything in the world. One day, Fern saw something up in the sky. What is that big white boat doing in the sky? She asked herself. I want to find out. So there's that ship again, floating through the sky. She doesn't know it's just a cloud. It would be great to ride on that big white boat, Fern said, so she stretched her wings and took off. Here she goes. Fern's wings helped her climb up, up, up. But when she got close to the boat, she was surprised. The boat looked like a fluffy bed. So the cloud changed a little bit by the time she got up there. Fern was sleepy and wanted to rest, so she leaped onto the bed, but she fell right through it. Oh, Fern, it's not a real bed, silly. I see another bed, said Fern. I will try to land on that one. Uh-oh. There she goes. But the same thing happened again. I'd better go home, cried Fern. Maybe Mom and Dad can explain this. I don't know, can you guys explain this? How come every time she goes to lay on these big white fluffy beds, she falls right through the bed? Someone better tell her that it's not really a bed and that it's just a cloud. So Fern began to fly home. As she did, the beds turned dark gray. What does that mean? Oh, the beds. Oh, wait, they're not really beds. They're clouds. Oh, so the clouds turned dark gray. Uh-oh, you know what that means. Then it started to rain. Poor Fern was soaked when she got home. Where were you? Asked Mom and Dad. Fern told them all about her trip. First, we will dry you off, said Mom. Then we will teach you about clouds, added Dad. And that is what they did. Oh, I'm so glad that they were able to tell her that they were clouds and not really a boat or a bed. Let's try and make a connection. What did the clouds look like to Fern? Well, at first she saw a boat, and then she thought she saw a bed. Have you ever looked up in the sky and seen a cloud that looks like something else? Can you make a connection to this story? I've seen a cloud that looks like a tree before. I've also seen a cloud that looks like a dinosaur. How about you? What have you seen in the clouds? Don't forget to go to the next page on the slides and answer the 4 questions about the story.